This is a problem, specifically this, and every car has a problem with them. What I am referring to is the reverse lights, or the lack thereof. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on an issue that everybody deals with on every single car, and that is the lack of lighting from your reverse lights. So at night, when you engage reverse and your reverse lights come on, there's really a pretty pitiful amount of light that comes with them. So we're going to solve that issue on my GR Corolla by swapping out the bulbs with some much brighter fog light bulbs. So let's get going on this, and I'll show you exactly what we got to do to make these fit, because they won't as they come. This looks pretty simple to start with. This went behind there pretty easy. And start with, oh, look at that. Oh, that came off really simple. And all of the clips stayed on it. That's one thing you want to make sure. Make sure that all the clips stayed on. They didn't stay in the door. If they did, you want to pop them off and put them back in here so that it's easier to pop this back on. Once you get the panel off here, I'm going to show you, there are two 10 millimeter nuts right here, and there is one right there. So those three nuts you got to take out, and then we can go ahead and lift the tail light out. Having one of these really makes a big difference, guys. If you work on your cars a lot, I highly recommend it. I really enjoy doing these kind of videos for everybody, hoping to help out, show them ways to improve their vehicles and stuff. If you guys like these kind of videos, please let me know. Please like, subscribe, share everything. I sure do appreciate it. There we go. There we go. And here is our bulb right there. So we can go ahead and take the wire off. Let's just push on that tab right there. Twist and pull. And there's our bulb, guys. This is the upgraded one, and you can see the LED chipsets on there. So there's just more light on here. It's a lot more substantial. The same. And look at the OEM one at 3 o'clock. And the fog light one is more like 4 or 4:30. So the reverse light bulb is definitely different. So they've made it where it won't just drop in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Dremel, and I'm going to take this one off right here. The other three are lined up, and so it should then go in and turn. You can see how I took off that ear. There you can see the one in the roughly 3 o'clock position is now gone, but the other three now are lined up. That was the odd one that was not lined up the same. So, and I just used my Milwaukee Dremel. Again, like I said, I love this tool. Love this one too. Same batteries. Oh, just fantastic tools. So now, let's see if this fits in here or if I need to take a little bit more off. So now if I line up the, oh, yep, look at that. Yep, fit right in. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Loved it. So now, there's that. Now we can go ahead and put this back in. There you can see the bulb. You can see the bulb right through there. See that? So now I can reassemble this, put it in, and we have our three. Here you can see the three studs for our nuts. So we'll make this connection and we'll be good to go. All we got to do is drop the wire through there. And this will line up. There we go, just like that. Just got to get the right angle. There we go. And that one is on. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing to this light. So now I can pull this out. Okay. Now I want to push this tab right here. And pop the plug. And then here's my bulb. Twist and pull. So this is the bit that I used. And this is essentially just how I did it. You can actually see the silver right there that I was grinding just like that. Here's a comparison. OEM on the left and the brighter on the right. Not sure how much it's telling you or you're seeing it on the camera, but in daytime or in person, it's dramatic. So there's the regular one. And there's that. It's a huge, huge difference. So we got this one all bolted up. Connection made on both sides. So now the final part is just to snap this back in place. And honestly, the easiest way is just to get a couple of the holes lined up that you can see. And usually snap into place. There we go. All back on. Okay. Now I'll be able to see a lot better at night in those really dark areas when you're backing up. So I know that's been a problem in the past for me, and I'm sure it's going to be a problem for some of you here and there. So this is a worthwhile mod, that's for sure. So nice and easy to do once you Dremel off that little area, that one tab, and went right in and plugged right in, and ready to roll. So thank you guys, appreciate it. Once again, if this kind of thing helps you, I sure would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe and share all this with your friends and other people, and help me grow this channel beyond what I could ever do without you. So until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.